We're on Begg Street today, and this is our last project of 3. We are replacing 2-inch water main with 8-inch water main. The 2-inch main is more easily broken due to its size, and that main is probably 100 years old and it's cast iron. So cast iron is more brittle than ductile iron. We're replacing the 2-inch cast iron with 8-inch ductile iron, which is more flexible. It's a better material. It's a steel ductile iron pipe with a cement interior. So the metal walls of the pipe don't degrade or don't interact with the water. And then we're placing a fire hydrant on the end. So our closest fire hydrant from the end of the street is 300 feet. So now we'll have 2 fire hydrants within 300 feet of each other. So this block will be protected in case there's a fire. Before, if the fire department had a fire at the end of the block, they would have to lay out 300 feet of hose, which takes time. And time matters in that case where there's a fire. This is part of our annual work to replace aging water main infrastructure in Muscatine. It's a very smart thing to do, to be proactive, to replace our mains every year.